Usually when I head to a mountain bike park, there's not this white fluffy stuff on the ground. Yeah, we just had a nor'easter, and it's also the closing day of Highland Mountain Bike Park, so that's where we're headed.
Unlike other mountain bike parks, Highland is a mountain bike park only, so they can stay open a lot later than other mountains because they don't have to get ready for the ski season. But all things come to an end, and today was the closing day of the season. I've been riding at Highland for over 10 years now, but I have never once ridden here in the snow. So today was going to be something special.
Alright, this will be interesting. Woo! Need to warm up. Oh, it's slippery.
As a result of the snowfall, the trail crew only had a chance to clear off a few select trails. That meant the few trails that were open were pretty crowded. But that was okay, it gave me a chance to pull off to the side and warm my hands back up. Most of this trail was cleared off, but a few of the optional features were not.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome!
I'll just say, falling on snow is a lot more comfortable than falling on dirt.
Oh god, this is freaking loose under here. I suspect I'll be crashing a lot today.
I'm just gonna forewarn you, the lens is gonna get a little dirty today, and unfortunately, sometimes I forgot to clear it off.
Hi. You good? Yeah, I'm gonna hit any style.
Yeah, we'll do any style.
The A-lines are obviously not open because I haven't shoveled them. Well, technically they're not closed off, so maybe later. Woo. Oh. Oh my god.
I need to take a quick second and give props to whoever tried to hit the skybrow. Oh, yeah! But it doesn't look like you had good luck.
This is so sketchy. I love it.
As a side note, if you're curious to know how you got such stable footage without using a gimbal, click the video linked in the card in your upper right hand corner, which answers just that.
Holy. Alright, this is gonna be sketchy. That is so fun right now. Alright, good to go?
Yeah.
can't do that one today. Oh. Oh my God.
After a few laps, I was longing for something a little bit more.
See how sketchy this is. Woohoo! That's what I came here for.
If you've never ridden in snow, it's actually quite impressive how much it's able to slow you down, and the traction is quite unpredictable. See, normally you want fat tires to float over the snow, but I was on skinny tires because that's what I had.
The crazy part about riding in snow is it's totally unpredictable. Your front wheel just catches a rut, it's game over.
I know some users are going to suggest adding studs to my tires. In this situation, the snow is far too soft for the studs to be any bit effective. And besides that, I'm enjoying slipping and sliding around.
Woohoo! Oh.
In this section of trail, there was a giant puddle right in the main line. Not wanting to get wet, I took the beeline.
Let the bike take you where it wants to go. All right, let's do maybe a full pull down this.
As the day progressed, the sun came out and started to melt the snow.
Well, not as slippery as it was before, but famous last words, right? Whew. Alright, let's clear the lens off.
Unfortunately, due to melting snow, this trail was running a lot slower than it typically does. For that reason, I wasn't able to hit all the features I normally do. I was hoping to get enough speed to be able to gap onto this bridge, but as you can see, that wasn't exactly the case.
Not today.
By the end of the day, myself, my camera, and my bike were a muddy mess. And that tells me today was a good day. Anyway, if you want to see more riding videos, be sure to click the Thrills with Phil playlist at the end. As always, my name is Phil Metz. Thanks for playing bikes with me today, and I'll see you guys next time.